Have you heard of the Saskatoon Industry Education Council's Cardboard Boat Race Challenge? This annual event brings together 2,800 Grade 8 students from Saskatoon Public Schools, Greater Saskatoon Catholic Schools, Prairie Spirit School Division, and the Saskatoon Tribal Council. They foster teamwork, build skills, and, most importantly, to have fun. On the day, each team has 90 minutes to work together to design and build a cardboard masterpiece. It must be able to carry at least one team member as they race across the pool. The goal is to teach the students the principles of design, math, and science in a supportive and inclusive environment. The end result is lots of laughter, some wet cardboard, and a real-life understanding of water permeability, structure and strength, and buoyancy.
We had a finals, we had a second place.
The Boat Race Challenge couldn't happen without generous sponsors, dedicated SIEC staff, amazing volunteers, and of course, great kids. For sponsorship information and more, please visit saskatooniec.ca.